So I recently got the 8BitDo N30 Wireless Mouse after getting the matching keyboard because why not? Your girl loves to accessorize. And when I first saw this, I fell in love. Look how adorable it is. And it's so minimalist in terms of the design. Very reminiscent of an NES controller. You have your two buttons on top for left and right, and then you have your up, down, left, right for controlling pages on the side. It's just the most adorable little mouse. Colorway wise, very similar to an NES. You have that kind of like weird gray beige, what do they call it? Grayish color. And then you have the black, and then you have the red buttons as well. Now, I will tell you this is very light. It's 71 grams, and that actually surprised me because some of my mice are quite heavy. And then you can do the up, down, left, right, like I mentioned, for controlling your pages. You can press the left and the right button, but then it also has this like scroll wheel that's embedded in here. I'm curious to see what that's like. Here's the downside to this mouse. This mouse takes a single AA battery, which I don't think I like that because I prefer to plug my mice in and charge them. I'm probably going to lose this little USB thing, so let me go ahead and like put that back before I lose it. Overall, it's a beautiful mouse. It is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, and even if it's not ergonomically comfortable, I love it.